Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to start mining Sidra, how to register for Sidra coin mining. So first of all, you need to go to your Play Store to download Sidra Chain app. So you go to your Play Store like that, you search for it. Here is it, but I already installed it, so if you don't have it, you just have to click on install and it will get installed. So after you finish installing, you just click open. So to show you this page, then go ahead and click login with KYC port. So since this is your first time to register, you just click on register. There's a place where you see don't have an account, register. You click on register. Then you need to insert the email address in which you want to use to register. You just click. For me, let me use this email. So after that, click on create account. So from here, you need to go straight to your email to get one-time password. You minimize, go to your Gmail. So this is it. So in case you didn't see any Gmail here, you need to go to spam folder so that I'm sure you get it there, because sometimes, yes, let's check, confirm, okay, yes, the email is finally here. You check your spam folder. This is it. So these are the numbers. You just pick this 033943 063943. So you just say 0639 0369, sorry, 063943 063943 and click submit. So this is invalid password 03. Let's confirm it, 063943. So let's check the other message, because they sent two messages. So maybe it is, sorry, maybe it is this one, 488644 488644, because they sent two messages, I guess. You see, verified. So that is it. So here you just have to come and insert your name, come and type your name. As for me, I will use my name here. Type your mobile number, nationality, choose, sorry, you have to choose your country code. Just type Nigeria. Yes, you see, then you type your number. Yes, so you have to choose your country. So navigate down and then locate Nigeria, click on it, then click on continue. Sorry, username is required, so you need to insert any name, anything you think. Just for example, let me just use Bello 2024. I guess that is all to serve as my username. We just say continue. So this number is already in use. I already used, because I have the account with that number. So I'll just put any number anyhow, 2348039341562. Let me just try use this number. Continue. Okay, username is already. So you see, you have to write unique username 2025. Let me choose that. the username is still, so let me just write my full name, Bello Adam 2024. So you have to write something unique, so you click on go, so you wait for it. Now you are welcome, then click on allow access. You see, so you wait for it. You see, we are there already. So you always need to come and click claim tokens after 24 hours. Now you click on claim tokens. You see, now I have 2 Sidra token. So approximately after 24 hours I will need to come here and click it again to always be collecting 2 Sidra token. So that is how to register it. So from here you are not done, you come to here, you need to do some other things like KYC verification. Click here, go to your profile, go to KYC port rather, so that yes, this is it. So from here you have to come and create your passwords. Right click on set passwords, so write anything you think, just anything to be your password. As for me, let me just say suggest strong password for me. Let me just use passwords, so I'll just say set passwords. So you are now set. So now you have to come and click verify identity now. Click on verify identity now. So it will bring you here. You have to wait for them. This is where you verify your ID card, KYC. So you click on add new document. Here you select type of document, click on ID card, then here you need to come and choose your country. For example, scroll down and choose Nigeria. Scroll down and choose Nigeria. I don't want the video to be tall, so that is why I'm just hurrying. So choose Nigeria. Nigeria is here. Click on it. Then language, you type English. Choose English. Now document ID, you should type your NIN number, the numbers on your ID cards. So you click on it, you type it. Then here, given name, you have to write the name similar to your national ID card, because if you put anything different they will reject and they will not verify you. So your family name also, you write it as seen on your card. So here, date of birth, you also have to, just based on your ID card, you insert your date of birth like this. After that, there is issuance date, the date that the ID card was issued to you, or you can even leave it like that. So you just click save changes, you click. But here, since I already registered and I didn't insert in my NIN number, so I will stop here. So you just follow the guide, it will guide you until you finish. I think after this page you upload your ID card. So you need to have your ID card with you. You have to snap it, so you upload it there. There's a space to they'll provide for you a space to upload your ID card back and front, and also they will ask you to upload your selfie picture. Then finally there will be face verification. they will ask you to look into the camera and smile, make some movements, and they'll capture it. They'll capture your face, and then it will be successfully you upload everything successfully, and you have to wait for the for them to verify you. So it may take time. Sometimes it takes more than a week, sometimes even month. It depends. So if you are lucky, some will even get verified within 2 to 3 days. So it depends on how lucky you get. So that is how we do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any problem, you don't you have to contact me, and I'm here to help you. Thank you.